morning. It's Big D here, back at Flapjack and Beans channel. This is Major Mo. Say good morning, Mo.
Yeah, morning.
Look at the camera, Mo. Don't
morning.
Yeah, and this is Michael.
Good morning.
Mick.
Guten Morgen.
Yes, and what we're doing today, the first thing to the Mighty Orange Plus Plus, what we're doing, we're fitting on the
Top case.
The top case.
With the adapter plate.
This is the adapter plate here.
Oh, the adapter plate needs going on there.
Where's it gone, Mo, the adapter plate?
Mo took it over here.
Oh. Okay. Well, we'll crack on and I'll restart
Does it fit on the Chariot as well?
Yeah, it fits on the Chariot there, look, on the old Chariot.
Well, that's good. So
Tossasauce coming in his new...
the Mighty White
the Mighty White Plus Plus.
I've cleaned it just to catch
Just put it down anywhere and just...
There's all marks inside it.
Yeah, it don't matter.
But it's had sand or something in it,
Yeah.
it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Just leave it open and we'll see to it. Where's the net?
I put them on there.
Oh,
Put 'em on
right,
top of the
okay.
Thing. Somewhere.
All right, and thank you.
Yeah, sure it is.
Right, here we go. We're starting back on again now. So this is the adapter plate in Mick's hand here. This is the original plate here.
You know, you got washing underneath and all. Oh. And these. You need these. Oops. This is the adapter plate that you need for your top box. That fits on top of the existing rack at the back. And it has these little butterfly. Other way, Mel. Other way? Yeah.
Yeah.
That go in like that.
Yeah.
Like little mushrooms.
Yeah.
What, into the set?
And then,
I'll go in that slides in
Yeah.
there.
yeah.
And then that goes on there.
And now he just puts his I think.
That's it.
Yeah. I don't know if it's tight or not, man.
No,
With a little bit of Loctite blue on here, look.
I'm a fucker for cross-threading.
They've all got Loctite on.
I'm a fucker for cross-threading.
yeah, got no not cross.
They can be cross-threaded, Mel. I can cross-thread them, don't you worry about that.
We could cross-thread anything.
Yeah.
Mobility service, is that off your scooter?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Yeah. That's the number that you call, Bo.
Yeah.
When you get to my age. There's not many 73-year-old dudes riding KTM 1390s, I'm sure. Right then, now then, the torque wrench. I love the torque wrench. You've got about 5.
Well, I'll tighten them down, Mel. I'm guessing, when they're down tight.
You got go in, balance it up now.
Yeah, oh, they look about right. I don't think it slides, does it, when it's down tight? It might do.
It does do. It does slide, yeah.
yeah,
That's just like these. These are for the panniers, look, they slide. Just same.
Oh,
Top box is same idea. Oh, yeah. The Triumph idea originally, I think, that.
So when we're doing 200 mile an hour, you're not going to wobble on.
No, exactly.
Or even 20 mile an hour.
Not that Tossasauce.
It's an horse going past.
Yeah. There we go. And there we go. All done well.
Button, isn't
Right,
it?
here we go, look. We're just showing it slide, look. There you go. I have ordered the electric shut-off top box, but it hasn't come, so I've just got this one temporary off Mr. Saw here. So there will be a top box for sale soon if anyone wants a standard box. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the gold £32 accessory extra, the CNC oil filler cap, which Pillocky
wires out from top,
which I bought, and obviously there's a cover goes over there, you never see it.
Oh, we'll put wires out from top.
Look, we're going to now take these panels off here, and we're going to install the this, aren't we, first?
Yeah,
The heated jacket liner plug-in port. Right, we're now removing the panels. That's the orange panels, which there's 2 screws here at the bottom of your tank.
Look at that.
A little grommet snatch there, look.
over time, isn't it?
Just been over tightened a little bit, I would have said, Gareth. There we go. Major Mo will have to fix that. Mick's waiting with the magnetic tray, patiently for a bolt.
It's like brain surgery, isn't it?
Yeah,
I know these
it is, Mo. Show them that one, Mick, where that goes. We've not done these before, have we? So it's...
It's a new patient to us, is this? So he might not see light of day
Might
again.
not breathe ever again. Don't mind me with bad breathing.
Have you got a number for these panels? Because we might need to order some new ones. That time we've smashed them, scratched them, and abused them.
Yeah.
Something else I didn't realise until we got it home. This is matte orange, isn't it? It's not
Yeah.
shiny orange like all orange.
Not a happy customer there, Mo.
Yours is shiny though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, mine is shiny.
Yours is shiny, the white one. But,
The mighty white.
Yeah.
yeah, but
That one clips, Mo. There might be one down here underneath. That one, I think. Where your finger is, take that one out, Mo. I think it clips
so we're
onto
putting them
the-
in order, Mo. You know which one goes back
They're all,
where?
they're all the same.
Yeah.
Fortunately, they're all the same. Like the BMW.
Yeah, different colours. Different colour sizes. This bloody sticker can come off and all today.
Yeah, man, what's coming off and all.
We've got heat gun for that. 8 them bloody stickers. Why do they stick them there? Why don't they stick them on here?
I don't know, that's Mr. KTM.
Well, all bikes do it, don't they?
I've got to have one criticism of your bike.
What?
These flipping flame slider things
Oh, I like
are
it.
horrible. And that one under exhaust, what's it gonna do?
Well, it what?
That one underneath there where the exhaust is, what's that gonna do when the exhaust mounts ground first?
Oh, it just looks nice.
I'll show it other side.
Oh, no.
Okay. So now removing the ashtray, 4 bolts. Is there any money in it now?
Yeah, go on.
You see any money?
No, go in, there's
There
a...
used to be a glasses case in there full of money,
Yeah. Remember days, fella?
didn't they?
That's when we had some money, Mo.
Stick it inside, Mo. Don't leave it in there, Mo. Leave them in there, Mo. They're all the same. Better one to take off because the other 2 are there, Mo. Whereas before you used to have to get your
Oh,
torque
go-
screws through
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Now they're down there.
Go in, they've improved them, haven't they?
Yeah, and it's a slightly bigger glasses
Mo,
case.
you got glasses on, Mo?
Yeah, got them on.
Got them on.
Good old.
Yeah, got his John Lennon's on though.
Good old Mo.
Yeah, a sticker there, Mo. It says there's one born every minute who buys an orange brake cover cap.
Good old.
Yeah.
So we sold it.
I like my front lever, though.
Yeah, I think I might need an adjustable one like that.
But in it's good,
But I
isn't
don't
it?
think I like
Go in,
it.
it's better
I
than
think mine will
last
be
one.
in black, no, not orange.
Ah, yeah, obviously, sure. KTM, they've got to support orange.
Oh yeah, have you heard the Terry's chocolate orange Easter egg?
No.
Well, you're not sporting orange then, are you? She's left out now, man. Shut your lid down.
There's beautiful lights.
Shut them there, man. It's on a lead now.
So I better get me some number plate ordered then.
I've got to think on how I did this last time. I think I pressed that button there. Pull it out now, man. No, it's not it, no. What, out right there? Wait on, man. Is it on the other side? Is that it?
Oh, go in, it's there. What? No, it's
No, it's not. I'm sure it's that one, man.
not. Press it harder.
Go on. Wait on, man. I won't pull it.
Oh.
Oops. That's the little the connector what you have to disconnect.
The other accessory leads here, look.
What's
It's telling me accessory 2's here.
Accessory 2 is there, look.
So you've got a live, permanent live, and a switch live.
Go in, the-
And they moved it from under here.
Yeah, it used to be under headlight, didn't it?
So we've got red and red and red and red. That's fucking handy.
No, blue and red and black and red. You've
But
got,
what's that one in for?
I don't know. That's to make it look pretty. So the red and black wire is a switch live and brown is neutral down there. Just so you know, red and black is switch live. Is that okay?
Action, camera.
Yeah.
Police, stop. Right, we've right, do they understand right? Do you think they
I
understand
don't know, right,
We're not
right.
American, right, as they say in England, the Queen's English, not right, as they say in South Yorkshire. Right. So we're mounting the quad lock now, and which will eventually go into the quad lock. So we're going to accessory 2, which is a switch live, and we're going to hide the USB because it needs to plug into USB here. We're not going to use the ashtray USB, so we can use that for something else. Perhaps charging the GoPro, who knows? So we're going to tuck that under there and run this up to where Derek wants his quad lock fitting, perhaps here, who knows? That's it.
So we're trying to take these panels off. Colour grip mold there, look. You can see the clips on both sides here, look. Right.
Right, that's left on.
And we're
Oh,
trying
there's another bolt here, Mo.
Yeah.
Bolts here.
Oh, good.
Can I have them?
That's got to
T20.
come off, right?
T20. Can I just get one this thing?
Oh, you might as well Scott in.
And get to it. This is different, is it? Wait a minute.
cut out. And when you take the top box out, you can lift this panel up a little bit now, as you can see Mick doing now to get access to thread wires through.
Not what a slack up existing KTM. Going through an ammo. That's it's out of the way now.
Happy with that?
Yeah, that's gone down. So we'll put these two back in.
And action.
Action. So we've put the quad lock on. I'm throwing his voice. And we're just wiring up the gerbins.
Show me the quantities.
The quad lock's there. What we showed you earlier, wired under where the ashtray goes. And then accessory 2 is mounted under here, but at the back. And we've done the gerbins on the relay, and that's going to be tucked up under there to the battery. And then we're going up under here to connect it. And
So the port, that's where we plug in.
It's full of bloody mud.
Oh, yeah.
Fitted the top box.
Oh, that watch is not felt.
The ashtray's back in here now. That's not shutting right.
Was it not? If you want music on, mine will play up.
these?
Yeah.
They don't go through there, do they?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
On yours, are they through there?
Sure, yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, just to finish off, the mighty Orange Plus Plus is now ready. It's ready more than I am. Orange guards under there, you can see. Orange ding dongs on the wheels. Well, Mick don't like them, but they're orange. So
See, I like that, man.
what we've done today, the quad lock's now on and working. I've put my GoPro mount up there temporarily. I don't know when I'm going to finish that yet. This is done. Mick will take you through the screen now. Show them what you've done on the screen, what these engine brakes and that.
Hey?
Go on, show them why we've set it up.
No, we set it up for custom maps.
Yeah.
So he's on fuel reserve and side stand, so his mapping's custom. So you press the mode button to go through your different modes.
So we have to make a tick.
And so if you want to put it in off-road mode, you hold down the mode button and watch. Can you see it come over? And you get a tick and it goes into that mode. Press the mode button again. And D's got custom 1. So if I press and hold down custom 1, it goes in that. And he's got road ABS, street MTC, and AMT, which is the automatic box street, engine braking 2, preload 10, dampings auto, anti-dive on. Engine braking is on the highest settings.
And what we fitted, we fitted GoPro.
We obviously fitted the
Optimate.
and then we've come round and we've fitted his heated jacket.
Yeah, that nice little
Which
spot
fits in
there.
there.
You plug in there now.
Plugs in there.
We've took the rubbers out of the pegs.
Pegs up, yeah.
We took the rear pegs off. And the Optimate now goes in here, that lead there.
Yeah. So the accessory port's there, and he's got a relay there. which is tucked up underneath there. You're good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go. We've got the top box on, which is not the electric one. It's the keyed model, which...
Have a good trip, Mo. Have a good trip, Mo.
There you go.
You need an orange Ivy's jacket.
I know,
don't you?
not an orange
Never
one.
mind bloody
We
line.
don't do fat bastard size.
I'm sure we do.
There you go, on there, look.
It's like the Pope's hat.
So, yeah, we're good to go. It's in park. It shows you on here, look, P for park, which
Yeah.
is good. There you go. That's it then. So we're ready to go. We've had a little try on the street. I mean, it's just me getting confidence of mounting and remounting after a new whip. And we'll see how we go from there. We've got the heating controller in there. We've kept that USB-C control there so we can plug in there if we wanted to. Yeah, that's about all this to show you now. Just wait till we get some trips on.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Michael.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Major Mo.
Hey up.
Look at Momo's on the proper chariot up the Baja Bandit. So we're going to try a Pannier before Mick goes. These are the new electronic operating versions, according to Cocker, which go on them little tabs there.
Which you can get spaces for that, and that's what it could do. I hate this place. I don't know if I'll put it on.
Is it wrong side, isn't it?
No.
But you can get spaces for that, can you?
You do all these spaces.
Oh,
Is it going on?
when
No.
is that in?
Can't see any
Not
spaces.
What do it look like?
Not on, is it? Is it in now, Mo?
I think so. No?
We've got one more now.
Aye. It's in there.
I'll put that in.
What?
Well, when does it shut down?
Yeah, that's it. Only rests in that slot.
You only put that across. Oh, it's this that does it?
No. No.
Not down, is it?
Not right. You have to force it. It goes in lovely.
Why did he put it on the thing?
No?
I think it's...
Right, so here we are. We've got both luggage sets on now. I'm showing you my number plate, but I'm not worried. There we go, look. You can see there, and they do as soon as you open them, you'll hear them lock. I'll just show you a demonstration. Mick will turn the bike on. I think I've got to get a bit closer. Right, did you hear then they unlock then? So this one's unlocked. What it should be. No, it's not, Mick. Try that one. Close it and then listen. There you go, it's locked itself.
1, 2, 3, action!
Action! Right, tell them what you're doing then with these cases. You're going to press the button there, look. Press the button on the case.
But we've done this one, it's the other side.
And did it open? Where's that button, Mum? You're not doing it, that's it. Close it. Press the button, no, you're supposed to just close it gently, Mo. Bloody hell. That's
Good
it.
like going.
That's it, so that's closed. Now, when you turn it off, does it clear? There you go. Locks.
Yeah.
Right, we'll unlock the fucking things and let's put them away.